This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Export Asset node. If you don't know what an Export Asset node is, make sure you check out the previous tutorial titled Understanding Export Asset Node. Let's begin. First, drag and drop an Export Asset node into your workspace and double-click on the node to display the Properties slide-out panel. Select your Catenis virtual device and add the node's configuration information to each field based on your needs. Wire this node to a debug node and drop an inject node into your workspace. Wire the inject node to the Export Asset node and double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Select the Payload field, choose the JSON type, and click the ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as an input to the Catenis node, for example, something like this. Notice that the Estimate Only option is set to True. Click the red Done button. Click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Click the red Deploy button. Click the button on the left of the inject node to set the input from the inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing an estimate of the transaction cost. Now, let's return to our inject node and modify our JSON object to set the Estimate Only option to false. Deploy the flow and run it again. Now, the debug sidebar should display a returned JSON object containing the transaction ID and other information about the token that you've just exported. You can confirm your export by searching the transaction ID on any independent block explorer. You can also access the newly created Smart Contracts address by executing the Export Asset Outcome node or the List Exported Assets node. These nodes return a token.id object in the JSON result that contains the contract address. Note that you will need to install an application that supports the foreign blockchain to which you are exporting your Catenis Smart Asset. Note that some wallet apps such as MetaMask require you to supply the token contract address in order for tokens to be added to the wallet. You can see which blockchains are supported by popular wallet applications here. Great work! Now, you should understand how to use the Export Asset node.